While you doom scrolling on some brain rot memes on TikTok, I'm about to fly this mountain with my paraglider. And I think that it's going to be much more interesting than whatever you're doing right now. The weather conditions today, skaska. So, come with me if you want to live. By the way, this mountain is located in Czech Republic. And it's 1 hour from my home, so whenever the condition is good, I'm coming here as fast as possible. But there's problems sometimes. There's a lot of rain here and it's difficult to catch the flying conditions. But today we got the holiday in Germany. I don't remember the holiday, but all I know that in Germany today everybody is free, and in Czechia, in Czech Republic, everybody is still working. And because of that, the mountain gonna be preserved only for me and these two planes that flying there.
Let's speed up a little bit the boring stuff just to help you with your short attention span.
Here we are, approaching this mountain. Wind's coming today. Because of that, I'm gonna fly on this side. But the wind condition somewhat much stronger than what I anticipated and saw in the application. I don't know. I have second thoughts about this place, but I need to try anyway.
The chances of this plane crashing into me are low, but never zero.
Well, I still have to try. I need to try this. I come here for a reason. The reason that I need to fulfill. To get to
Just to let you get the full picture, with a wind strong as this one, it's gonna be really hard to rise my wing into the air. If I'm gonna rise it too fast, it's gonna drag me all across this mountain to the other side, and I don't really want to experience this kind of torment.
I don't know what to say. The wind is really strong, and I don't think that I ever been flying in a wind strong as this one, and I don't want to get fucked up beyond recognition, which happens really often, but still I don't want to do it again.
Being afraid not gonna move me anywhere, so I decided to follow my instincts and trying to get into the air.
Try again. Try again. Okay. And let's go. Oh. Really good. Really nice. Like sugar and spice. I feel nice. Like sugar and spice. So nice. So nice. I got to fly. Bing, bing, bing.
Whoa! Just to let you know, I have upgraded my camera arsenal to the new Insta360 X5.
Oh.
Now I need my hands to be free to control the parachute, so I gonna catch the camera with my butt cheeks. And yeah, the view from that gonna be amazing.
Oh, it's much better. Nice. What can I say? Just beautiful up here in the sky. This is why I was jealous of birds all my life. Now I can fly as one. Nobody gonna stop.
I got the camera on a string flying behind me, but for some reason it's died along the way. So we're just flying with the corpse behind.
And it's a bummer. But, well, we got this camera, this one. Yeah.
And check out what this camera is able to do.
Oh, wow. Meditation in the sky. The best feeling ever.
So apparently on the site today was another parachute pilot, and for what I saw before, he got a much more advanced wing, and you're gonna see what this wing allows him to do.
Yo, bro! Are you coming? Come! Oh, here's the guy coming. Here, we're gonna get a show. Opa! Crazy stuff!
Just really skilled pilot from doing stuff like that in the air. Like, imagine the kind of balls that you need to have to do stuff like that. His parachute is advanced one. That's why it allows him to do so much cool shit in the air.
He's really low on the ground. He got a smaller wing. Because of that, it's responding a little bit different to the weather here.
It's becoming harder to maintain a good height. I will try to kick this bush along the way, maybe I can touch it with my leg.
Oh, I think it's good. Юшки! Смотри, что у меня торчит! Well, I think this is gonna be the end of today's flight. But who knows? Right now I just will try to survive.
I'm really lucky to catch this small window of light today. Now I need to go and prepare for the landing. Landing in about 3, 2, 1. Mission accomplished.
Well guys, this is it for the moment. We'll end the video right now because I need to pack my parachute, and see you later. Hope you enjoyed this video of paragliding with me, and we're gonna make a lot more like that in the future, so stop scrolling on bullshit on TikTok and come enjoy the outside, the nature. We are wasting too much time on stuff that doesn't really matter. See you later guys. Yo bro, are you coming? Come.